There's something wrong with your heart. Now start eating avocados every day. Next, I will tell you about the health benefits of avocados. The healthy fats in avocados help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. These healthy fats can lower low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of heart disease. The fat in avocados may also protect the eyes from the harmful effects of UV rays and prevent age-related macular degeneration. But that's not all. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados can help you stay full longer while stabilizing blood sugar and helping to control appetite, which makes avocados an ideal ingredient to help you maintain a healthy weight. Avocados are rich in essential vitamins that help keep the digestive system healthy, reduce inflammation in the body, and reduce the risk of disease. To enjoy these delicious and healthy benefits, add avocados to your diet. Follow me and learn more about health.